Okay guys, and today we're gonna be playing some Algodoo. Love that Algodoo. So let's see. What's the games that we do? We have tons of pages. We can just go to there. Pseudo, we can go to that. No classic stream. I still haven't got to the end, so let's try to go to the end. How many times do you think it will take me? Comment your answer in the comments below. How many tries it will take me? I think maybe a couple. I don't know, maybe like 3. Okay, let's start. I go out. There you go. Okay, we gotta slow it down. And we gotta get over this. Whoa! Wow, the close one. Whoa! Oh, nope. I didn't get it. It's the first try. Let's try it again. There we go. Ooh, we're gonna land on the ground. Wow, he's landing on that pop ground. Oh no. Oh, that looked painful. Okay, I'm gonna land here. Oh, oh no. Gotta go like faster there. Okay, this is a third attempt, which it's like this is the first attempt. Though the first one counts as 0, by the way, in this time. So if I get it right, I got it right. And you guys in the comments, if you got 3 too, okay. Too realistic. Just the ground is too slippery, actually. Okay, I died. I didn't get enough speed. Guys are like getting bored of me trying. So like this is the 5th try. If I don't make it this time, then I'll be cancelled out of the events. I know. We'll have to try again at the end of the video. Oh, okay, we're gonna do this. Okay, we're gonna go slow at this part. Have to go fast here. Okay. Okay, that was a little too fast. Whoa. Okay, I died. Whoa. This is a... started here. We have to go here. We have to go through all of this. Okay. I didn't get it. Let's go to Debo Race and see if I can go through all the hoops. I have 5 tries and I'll go back to this. Okay, let's go. I don't have to go at full speed, by the way. Turn! Okay, I already lost. Let's go back to Motocross Extreme. Okay, let's go back to Motocross Extreme. Here we go. What? Barely see what I'm doing. I think going out like this helps me. Okay, I died. How? It's like you guys play Algodoo, try to do this. This is so hard. If you could do this, then tell me how and what the tricks are. Because comment down below that. I really need help to do this. Maybe not help. Just need like, like semi-help. If you know what I mean. Oh! Wait. I can get the motorcycle. Put it on the ground. Like this. And get the human. Oh. And put him on the motorcycle. It's as easy as that. Oh, now I can just keep driving the motorcycle. Okay, now I don't need. Now I know I don't even need a human. I can just set it in full mode. Keep going. Kind of off balance though. I have to play this game, which is like even harder. Okay, what is this game? What's he writing? He's writing something in Japanese. Look at what he's writing. Look at I'm writing stuff all over the place. I'm writing stuff. Okay, I don't even know what happened. Okay, I think I just booked the game. Let's go back. It's like how people can feel my screams. Ugh. Okay, I think I'll just go out of the map. Because why? Ah, save him! Save him! I don't think nobody's saving me. Maybe. Martini, open the way. I don't think really any of the Texas can load out here. If you guys are wondering what I'm doing. I'm not if I'm going up or down. Don't even know which way I'm going. See what Texas can load out here. Can't do anything. This will be the end of the video. State ramps, so let's try ramps. Skater is moved by arrows. Okay? Hey! That guy. Didn't sound like it felt too good. Let's go back. I forgot how to play the consoles. A and D. Oh, I see. So you have to move the character with this, and it'll like move the skateboard. Oh, no, guy, no. No, can I detach? Oh, I detached the guy. So come on, guy. Hey, guy. Hey. What? Can he jump? Yeah. Wait, this is a skate pad. Can he jump? Whee! Ow! I hit the ceiling. You want me to save you from hitting the ground? Oh! You want me to save you? I can do it this time. Oh my. I can leave it when I hit the ground this time. Hey, you. I'm gonna save him. I'm gonna do this. Okay, bye. This is a crazy video.